name of Weezy F.N. Walking out the bed, list over 10 bad. Fly as a motherfucker, girlie on my stable, cause her friends say I'm a tummy sucker. I'm go below the navel, I'm up in Little Haiti, I'm blowing on the maker. I'm in a pepper beamer, I'm with a South Shaker. Now I'm dead counting, I see some thick bitches. I try to holler at them, but they all trick bitches. I think Trina sexy, mama, you wanna fine. And on the hush hush, we need some quiet time. Yeah, I'm riding my, the Birdman's boy. He on cash money, I re on cash money. Yeah, and I put on cash money. She start wobbling her ass for me. She start modeling. She see the models in the Maybach. They call me We the F baby, and she make sure you send it.
Don't give a damn about the cars, those friends. For what? Cause I'ma make my own ends. And that's for what's up next. Let's say you want a man, but don't know how to do it. Dirty dance with him, put a little back into it. Look at the wall shot, end up at the mall party. Try the dog wall, you make it spin it all on you. Yeah, and make a nigga fall for you. Then have him begging for the kitty cat. Whining and drowning for that ass, he ain't none of that. Just let him know, say, make a bitch rich, cause the best bitch comes next.
Man, dad, I'm number one. Nigga came at me wrong, so we got him done. Fucking with the family, I'ma give him some. Spent that corner, he didn't run. Sunday had a whole church singing a song. Why they had to send my baby home? Fucking with some niggas that pay for long. Been a G in the game, now my son on the throne.
I am the beast. Feed me rappers and feed me beats. I'm untamed, I need a leash. I'm insane, I need a shrink. I love brain, I need a leech. Why complain on easy streets? I don't even talk, I let the visa speak. And I like my Sprite Easter pink. And my wrist special pop, but the mule is cooler. I have more juice than your jeweler. Touch it, I will bust your medulla. That's a bullet hole, it is not a tumor. Red light, stop your rumors. Stay on track like a box of Pumas. I just rock with Junior. No silly.